How to learn French for beginners. Step 2.
How to learn French faster. My name is Arvind and today let us learn the step 2 out of the 8 steps to learn French faster. This channel is all about helping you learn French faster, so consider subscribing it. If you have any doubts, any questions, ask me in the comment section. In the first step, we have learned a set of words. But do you think learning words alone will give you the result? No, learning the words alone will not give you the desired result. You may know thousands of words in French, but this won't help you to speak French fluently. You need to know what to do with the words and how to connect the words in a meaningful way. Here comes the basics helps you combine and connect the words together. So the step 2 is learn the basics. This step helps you understand the language better and serves as the foundation for the bigger things. In this step, you are going to learn about the personal pronoun in French. Je is I. Tu is you, singular. Il is he. Elle is she. These are singular. Je, tu, il and elle. Now let us see the plural part. Nous is we. Vous is you, plural. Il is they, group of men or boys, masculine. Elle is they, group of women or girls. Nous, vous, il and elle. It is all about the persons. That's why these are called as personal pronouns. Je, tu, il and elle. Plural. Nous, vous, il and elle. If this video helped you to learn French, consider subscribing this channel, like this video and share. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and I will answer it. I'll be posting more shortcuts and never seen tips and techniques to learn French faster.